Hey guys, what's up? Today in Pixel Agent we're gonna be creating a AI data editor that's gonna edit all the PDFs we can upload. And here's a little demo of it. I have created a Google Docs and I asked ChatGPT to make a big document of it with lots of error into it, so my AI can fix all these errors. And that's how advanced this project is gonna be. And I just created my document. And if you need to download it, so if you don't know how to download a Google Doc, you click File here and click Download here and click Download as PDF, and then it'll be downloaded. So in my website, we're going to be creating this nice clean platform. And if you click on this um, PDF thingy to open file, you click all about cats. That's the thing I downloaded, and I open it. And I can click on it and I can read it if I like. Close it. Yeah, click X. And I say, can you find all the grammar and spelling? It can do lots of things, but this for the demo, I'll put this. And I click send. It's going to be thinking, and it's going to be understanding what it needs to do. I didn't put a little loading screen because this is not too advanced I want to be. I just want to be a normal, nice video for a nice instruction to create this AI data editor. It's thinking, analyzing, and doing what we said. We just fixed the grammar. And it just fixed it. And it says here is the edited PDF, and click download. I downloaded it. Here are all the grammar and spelling fixes. Here the text title and the thing it is. If you don't believe it is corrected, if I double click in classification, and here it's classification right there, and it's corrected. Or if documents is wrong, I'll go here and write documents in there. Documents corrected. That's what our AI can do. It can do more things like plan, but I won't do this in this demo because we need to get into the project. Let's get into it. I have created a new folder called Data Editor in VS Code. If you look at my previous video, I have taught people how to install Visual Studio Code and Python. And now it's all settled. Let's head over to the file on top here and click Open Folder. I click New Folder and I created a folder. Okay, but I already did that. And see Data Editor and click Select Folder. And I have opened it. Let's start by creating the files. So I'll create a .env for the Gemini API key. We'll be using the library. analyzing AI data editor you can create, or maybe you can select the organization by default. Click create. So I have created my file already. If you refresh your screen, you will see my file. Click that to refresh. So that's all you need for the PDF. Okay, you need requirements. We're gonna requirements storage. So just go to the software that you want. Let's download it right here. That's it. Open dashboard view. It will load up your PDF. Just click there. That's all for AI. Analyze PDF because if your PDF has an image, you can also analyze it. Open CV is another thing to help the AI notice or analyze the PDF. NumPy, same thing. PDF Plumber, it is to plumb all the data and fix it. PyPDF2, the latest version of PyPDF. Last one, Report Lab. That's all the requirements we need. If you do Control Shift P or click on the terminal up here and click New Terminal over here, load, write pip install -r requirements.txt or whatever your txt file call, or if it's an easier way, you do dot and click tab until you find your project. Okay, but I won't do that. I'll just do requirements.txt and click enter.
A few moments later.
I have already requirements already satisfied because I already installed it, but it'll be collecting. It'll take a few minutes or seconds depending on your computer, and it will be loaded. Once it is loaded, you can click on app py and let's start creating the main logic. So let's start by importing our imports right here. OS flask.env pil image numpy and everything. Next, we're gonna load the API key. We're gonna be using 2.5 Flash. It's a free model. That's the smartest free model we can have in Gemini. If you paid more, you can use 2.5 Pro or something. But you're gonna be using 2.5 Flash. Okay, and then we're gonna variabilize app py equal to flask, and then we're gonna extract it. So when PDF is provided, it can extract it so easy for the AI to understand the PDF and do the thing the user is asking. Make PDF, which means make the paper. As you see in the demo, there's lots of papers depending on the corrected grammar that I said. The next one is to record the page. Okay, it's gonna record the page for what do you call memory. You can also delete pages to delete pages if not needed. The next one is the AI router, which is to decide and edit. It's basically telling the Gemini, which is our brain of the agent or AI, to do this thing. The user uploaded a file type, instruction of task, decide what the operation this is. We say grammar, it do grammar, translate, rewrite, summarize, tone change, everything it says here the Gemini can do. Okay, And next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start connecting our chat HTML. You write this code. It's a very simple code right here. Render template of chat HTML, which is here. The next one is if we have a command that is to edit. Don't worry about the error; it's gonna go away. About edit, the chat HTML will send the information here, edit, so then it's gonna go back. Oh, I need to do the editing. Where is it? Editing, and it's gonna tell what it edits. Okay. Next one is to detect the file type safely. If file type not correct, then it's gonna say sorry, no. But if file type correct, then you can just do the operation of what the user is asking. Next one is to show our the edit, which is the task file type, and then we're gonna create a PDF flow to make a PDF flow of it, so it is the correct way to do it, and then it will provide um, a edited PDF so we can download it and see what the editor. We can edit our own thing. But if the user asks something else like replace, it's gonna replace. See, replace the pages. Okay. We're gonna do elif op. Okay. Structure. Okay. And then we'll do another one for generative. Generative. And last and easier one is to stop the flow if needed. Yeah. Stop the flow if needed or else continue. Right there. Okay. And then we're gonna write in run. Okay. Let me just fix all these error. My bad. Fix all these error and let's let's get into the web. Just fix the error. Just this that one is just changed to new pages and yeah. That's the api.py app.py and click chat HTML and we'll start coding in a chat HTML. It's the cool clean website we've been creating. It's a very long file. It's about 300 lines of code, but just bear with me with it. We're gonna start creating our title and starting styling our body header and things. Okay, some nice gradient background to remember the cool animation in our demo. The header and the chat box all styled. Same for the message user and bot showing. Message user and bot. It's to style how the bot shows the chat interface. See the nice gradient we chose. Okay, and then when we hover over it in the demo, if you not notice, it actually floats like a cool animation thingy. If you hover over the thing, hover, and input container and file preview. When we click on the thing, it previews the file, and then it also tells what size the image or file needs to be and all that. and all styled. And the file preview image, and then we're gonna show the file input. If you see when we enter our, what do we call, our chat instruction, it shows the image on the thing if you saw. Okay, right here, remove btn file and input area again. Input area, file input and background and ease, which is basically smooth or calm, if you want to say ease, and then label to hover. If you hover the upload file, it does the hover thingy, and same for the button. And then for the full screen, it's gonna style a little bit more of when you see the full screen of the, what do you call, the PDF that is being viewed. And if you click on it, you can actually view it like closely. And yeah, it's all, this is all the styles we need right here. Full screen viewer, the view image and iframe, and the close view. Okay, style right there. Oopsies, you want to put a dash right there. There you go. That's the whole style. And let's get into the HTML part. Let's start by creating our input area and our full screen view. Just notice, okay, the HTML is to make the website, the CSS is to style and make it cool, and the JavaScript is to make it what do you call, make the back end of the front end, if that makes sense to people. Here's the back end. We already finished the CSS and this. In this project, the backend is basically sending our API, the input and attachment, and it's just sending it through and thinking right here. Here it is to, when click on the send button, it'll preview the image or PDF and do it. Else if it'll do this. Right. Else if do that, or else if it'll do this. And then when we click on the remove BTM, if you saw in the demo when we can click X on the, what do you call, the PDF or the file, and it just gets out. Okay. And then we're gonna put the form on submit. Okay. Form on submit. Here, form on submit async to this, fetch this thing, which is the, what do you call, the, when we host it, I'll tell you how to do that after we finish this, how to host our website and also our AI. And that's the whole chat HTML. As I said, it's 300 lines, of course, new. And that's the whole project we've been creating. If you do Control S, on all files. Looks to me yes. Okay. Okay. Now you can do on it. Click terminal. New terminal over here. You can just click on AppUI, click on display button, or write it, type in Python AppUI or the file you need to run in the Python file, and click enter or click on that. It's going to be loading and see running on HTTP. This thing. If you do control, you can take your cursor out and click on it. It opens and see it comes here, and there it is. It's a demo. Let me take this thing, open here, open it, yeah, open it, and write in, can you find grammar, run that, thinking about all the things we told in the whole project, right there, thinking, keep thinking, and it has fixed the thing, click download, we can see all this, and look at that, it's all fixed. Thanks for all watching. Pixel Agent, and I'll see you in the next project. Bye!